Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data science with Intel, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, familiarize yourself with the basics of data science. Understand key concepts like statistics, data manipulation, and machine learning. Next, explore Intel's tools designed for data science. Begin with the Intel distribution of Python, which includes many useful libraries. Download and install the Intel distribution of Python from Intel's official website. Once installed, set up an integrated development environment or IDE. Consider using Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm for an interactive coding experience. Next, learn about data analysis libraries such as NumPy and Pandas. These libraries will help you manipulate and analyze datasets efficiently. Study the essential functions in NumPy for numerical computing. Then, dive deeper into Pandas for data manipulation and exploration. Practice by loading sample datasets and performing basic operations. Once comfortable, introduce yourself to machine learning with scikit-learn. This library simplifies the machine learning process using various algorithms. Experiment with example datasets to build and evaluate different models. Next, explore Intel's optimized libraries for performance enhancements. Look into Intel Math Kernel Library to speed up numerical computations. Utilize Intel's BigDL for deep learning applications using Apache Spark. Learn how to pre-process data using these libraries for efficiency. Then, take advantage of Intel SPCM for managing your data lifecycle. Understanding data pipelines is crucial for organizing your data workflow. Continue by familiarizing yourself with cloud computing platforms. Look into Intel's cloud services for scalable data science solutions. Enrolling in online courses can further enhance your skills. Consider taking courses that specialize in Intel's tools and frameworks. Networking with data science communities can also be beneficial. Join forums and attend webinars to stay updated on the latest trends. Finally, practice regularly by working on real-world projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.